time to get that protein absorbed, synthesized for hypertrophy or muscle growth. And I like to go down gradually, slowly, as I feel more confident about my placement, alignment, form, and technique. Warming up is also very important before you start your workout. We want to make sure that we are preparing the muscles, the joints, the ligaments, even your mental space. Sometimes we come with so much going on in our head, and the time to stretch helps us release tension and be ready to give it all. Isolations are crucial for even muscle development. And here I am doing a combination or variation of different movements, such as pulses and holds, and that helps to create different muscle damage or stress in my muscles that will create that hypertrophy that I want. I like to also do more of a functional workout with dumbbells. That way I incorporate my torso or my core a lot more and helps me also work on my technique.